Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to make a duplicate copy or how to copy your website in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to sites.google.com and here open the site that you want to duplicate. In my case, it's this restaurant website. Now to make a copy of this website, simply click on these three dots and select make a copy. A new window pops up. Here you can edit the name of your duplicate site. You can also edit the folder, but I recommend you to keep it in my drive. Also, you can duplicate just selected pages or the entire website. Make sure to select entire site and hit OK. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site Basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Also, you can duplicate just selected pages or the entire website. Make sure to select entire site and hit OK. Copy inside. And your duplicate copy of your website will open up like this. As you see, it is the exact same website, but the name is different. The original one was called restaurant, and this duplicated one is called copy of restaurant. Now, if I open if I go back to sites.google.com, here below recent site, I can see the copy and the original website. And of course, to delete the copy if you are not satisfied with it, simply click on these three dots and click on and select remove. And this is how to make a duplicate copy of your website in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.